Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to start Steam games in windowed or full screen mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Steam and select the Library tab. You want to right click on whatever game you want to make either windowed or full screen mode and select the Properties button. Underneath launch options on the right side, if you want to make it launch in windowed mode, type the minus sign and type windowed, W-I-N-D-O-W-E-D, and then you just would close out of here to save that. And if you want to make a launch in full screen mode, just would type the minus sign and type in full instead, so F-U-L-L. And then once you've done that, you just would close out of here, and that would be the default launch option. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.